What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to do something I haven't done in a while, and that's updating some of my old projects. If you're like me, you're a developer who just puts out a bunch of projects and never looks back. But I have some favorites. One of my favorites is called Intently. It's a personal CRM. Pretty much just reminds you to keep in touch with your friends and family. Helps you remember what were the things you guys last talked about and when you should call or text or see them again. About a year ago, I redesigned this app and I did a video about it. I'll post it right here. That never went anywhere. I never kept working on it and it just fell off. So today I want to show it some love because we've gotten a lot faster with these AI tools, and I think I can make a lot more progress without it pushing back my other goals for my new apps. Before that though, I need to do something about this nightmare. My desk is a mess because I've been kind of in and out this week, and I haven't cleaned this keyboard since I got it. I bought this keycap set, so I'm going to try to change these keycaps, clean the keyboard, clean the desk, and then just get started. For those of you who are new, my name is James. I'm a developer for the past 7 years. Right now I'm working in mobile apps, but I've done full stack web and a bunch of different things. On this channel, I talk about some of the projects I'm building and just document my life and share it with you guys. So let's get started. I'm gonna clean this desk. Windex cleans anything and everything. Sponsor me. Beautiful. Now for this keyboard. This thing is probably disgusting, so do not judge me. I don't know how it got like that. That was faster than I thought it would be. But it's definitely gross in here, and these keys are definitely gross. I'm excited to put these guys on though. It's gonna be purple, it's gonna look sick. Some of these keys are like developer keys too. You can see we got the GitHub. I don't know where I'm gonna put these ones, but they looked cool. That's why I bought it. All right, so finished cleaning the keyboard, finished putting it together, but I don't know where I got these keys from on Keychron's website, because if you look at like the numbers, the symbols are all wrong for the English normal QWERTY, and it's missing some keys, so I had to use some of my old ones. So I don't think this keycap set's gonna last very long. It does look good on the keyboard though. Now that the keyboard is done and the desk is clean, I'm gonna work on Intently. So where I wanna start is I wanna refresh looking at the design again, and then I wanna see if I can use GPT-5 and Cursor to rebuild some of these components. The new design is gonna have a dashboard and some more helpful components to help keep you on track versus just showing you a list of all the users. So I'm hoping that these new features will actually be helpful and be more engaging to bring people back into the app. I'm also gonna try to add some stuff like important dates, so you can start saving birthdays and anniversaries, and a lot of my friends have kids now, so I want to be able to store their kids' birthdays in there as well. Okay, so what I did now is I had GPT-5 and Cursor create a PRD for this feature. I'm gonna try this approach to see if I get better results than when I just try to build out the feature from scratch. So I've chatted with it for a while, and it has a detailed set of tasks that it needs to do, so we'll see how it comes out. Right now I have a dashboard and a list of people, but on this new design I want them to be on one screen with a tab that you can switch between. So the way we're gonna do it now is I'm gonna create a new page which will be the parent for both of those tabs, and then the current existing screens and block will be just widgets on that new page. So that's the first task, and then from there I'll enhance the dashboard with the new actual dashboard features. It's going pretty good so far. What I've done is I've built out the core of the UI. So I built out the tab bar, and I've split the two screens into two separate screens now. So you'll see we have the dashboard and we have the people screen. And I've also built out these filter buttons, which is supposed to match the design where instead of having groups be its own page just to see it in groups, which isn't that helpful, we're going to a single page design where now we can just filter like this. After that, I'm going to start building out the different dashboard components to make this actually useful. But I think it's going good. I'm happy with it. I'm just going to keep going and see how far I can get. So I'm gonna stop right here. I didn't make as much progress as I wanted to. I showed you guys dashboard with the placeholders and the people page with filter buttons. I spent a couple hours going back and forth through the AI to build out this simple page. And in hindsight, I should have just built it out myself. And this is where I think I'm starting to rely on AI too much for everything with my personal project, when I should still be writing some of the code that's straightforward myself. Because I probably could have done this feature much faster if I just wrote it out myself and had the AI focus on other parts. So I think I'm becoming a little bit too reliant on it. And this was a good little wake-up call, because looking at the progress that I've made, I would have been done way sooner. All it did was create a new page and a new way of filtering, but the code was already written to fetch that data. So it kind of sucks that I wasted a couple hours, but it was a good reality check, because now I'll make sure I think, would it be faster for me to just write this, or should I have the AI write this? So yeah, now I'm just gonna go on a walk with my girlfriend and a friend and his wife, and then we'll probably just grab some dinner somewhere.